Hi, I'm Eitan Sofer from Checkpoint's technical marketing team. Last time, we unboxed the Quantum Force 3920, first of the Quantum Force branch office gateways, designed for agile, reliable, and secure branch connectivity. As promised, we are stepping it up with the most powerful member of the Quantum Force branch office lineup, the Quantum Force 3980. Branch offices face new realities: direct exposure to the internet, proliferation of SaaS apps, and growing performance demands. That's why Checkpoint has built the 3980, a compact, high-throughput gateway that brings enterprise-grade security to the branch with no compromise on speed. This video is divided into two parts. In the first part, we'll unbox the device and go over its hardware features, along with a look at its powerful quantum firewall software, including SD-WAN capabilities. In the second part, we'll guide you through the onboarding process using the first-time wizard. Let's dive in. Meet the Quantum Force 3980, delivering 40 gigabits per second of firewall throughput and 7 gigabits per second of threat prevention, powered by AI-driven security and real-time threat intelligence, all in a 1U rack-mounted form factor. It's tailor-made for high-performance branch networks, hybrid mesh connectivity, and SD-WAN deployments, making it a perfect fit for modern enterprises rethinking their edge. Employees expect the same seamless experience they had at home, especially with bandwidth-heavy tools like Zoom, Teams, and Salesforce. The 3980 ensures security never slows you down. The 3980 packs the full quantum security suite, including next-generation firewall, site-to-site and remote access VPN, application and web filtering, intrusion prevention, antivirus and anti-bot, as well as the more comprehensive cyber protections you would expect in more demanding network centers like DNS security, sandboxing, malware protection, zero phishing with no agent required, HTTPS inspection, data loss prevention, and IoT security. And with customizable HTTPS inspection, you get deep visibility into encrypted traffic while preserving privacy for industries like healthcare and finance. Combining this with a high-density port configuration, the Quantum Force 3980 is the new frontline defender for your most demanding branch offices, delivering blazing fast, AI-powered protection and optimized for SD-WAN. Whether you're scaling up your hybrid workforce or securing SaaS-heavy operations, the 3980 has your branch covered. We've said a lot. Now let's dive into the unboxing and see what makes the Quantum Force 3980 tick. The appliance itself is double-packed to ensure package integrity and safe delivery. The appliance lies within its foam brackets, and at the top is the accessory box. In the accessory box, you will find 2 power cables, an RJ45 cable, USB to Type-C console cable, rack mount brackets screws, the rack screws, and PSU tie wraps. On top of it, you will find the welcome pack. The QR code will take you to all the necessary guides and documentation. Underneath the accessory box is the appliance itself. Let's take it out and have a look. This is the front panel. It has 8 1 gigabits per second SFP ports, 2 2.5 gigabits per second ports, 16 1 gigabit per second RJ45 ports, sync and management ports, 4 10 gigabits per second interfaces, USB-C console port, RJ45 console port, and 2 USB 3 ports. There is a row of activity LEDs and a pinhole for the reset button. At the far end is the location on and off button, a great feature for when a remote technician needs a visual indicator from a central team member so they are working on the correct appliance. Switching to the back panel, we have 2 power plugs for redundancy, ensuring connectivity even if the main power source is down, the power switch, and lastly, 2 fan grills. These hardware features give you a robust, powerful gateway with enterprise-level protection at your branch offices. With the Quantum Force 3980, you present an impenetrable frontline defense for your branch offices, securing the most vulnerable and attack-prone endpoints of your organization, ensuring that your whole network cannot be breached no matter where. We have reached the end of this video. In summary, the Quantum Force branch office gateways deliver AI-powered threat prevention performance up to 7 gigabits per second with a 99.9% block rate of cyber attacks, scalable network security for a wide range of use cases, zero-touch provisioning for easy setup, and integrated cloud security services like IoT and SD-WAN with consolidated cloud management for MSPs, just to name a few. Quantum Force 3980 is a perfect fit for small and medium-sized businesses with growing demands on their branch offices that want to enjoy enterprise-level threat prevention technology at a better price performance, making it even easier on your organization's budget. This concludes our unboxing session of the Quantum Force 3980. If you want to see how it is initialized and onboarded, scan this QR code or search for the Quantum Force 3980 onboarding video on our YouTube channel, TechPoint Central. Thank you.